For this. What are you doing now?
I knocked it inside. I got to get it out because that's the only way to get it out. I got to get my hands on it. It's hard to grab. Where'd it go? It's a little round piece of plastic.
So if a dishwasher doesn't drain, this is probably why.
A lot of times, yes ma'am.
And it's just the cap on the new disposal.
Yes ma'am.
And it needs to be removed.
Yes ma'am. It's out of here. I'm gonna get my hands on it here in a second. Oh, I almost got it. There it is.
That's it? So that's just part of the new disposal,
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
gotta pop it out.
It's in there, yes ma'am.
It's in where?
It's inside this drain for the dishwasher.
So you pop it out of that.
Mm-hmm.
And that'll let the dishwasher drain.
Yes ma'am, that plug's in there, it's not gonna let it drain. That's where your dishwasher drains too.
Yeah, okay.
It's crazy.
It is.
So many people do that. It's amazing.
And you repair dishwashers all the time, and you find out the disposal, they never got rid of the plug.
A lot of times.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.